Welcome to DelftStack. In this tutorial, we will guide you through changing your keyboard layout from English UK to English US using the command line in Ubuntu. This is especially useful for users who prefer the US layout for programming and personal preference. To change the keyboard layout temporarily, run the following command. If you want to change the layout permanently, open the keyboard configuration file using Nano. Look for the XKB layout line and change the value from GB to US. Once done, you will need to reboot your system for the change to take effect. To verify the current layout, run the following command. That's it. Today we have learned how to change your keyboard layout from English UK to English US in Ubuntu using the command line. For more tutorials, like and subscribe to DelftStack.